welcome. Let's upgrade your Java programming skills together. If you remember, we've created Hello World application on our previous tutorial, and we've seen two instructions, print and println. If you use println, the cursor moves to the next line after printing the text. If you use print, the cursor stays at the same position. And in this tutorial, we'll explore more about IntelliJ IDEA itself and its features. And we start with the top, and on the top you can see the project name and project location in the square brackets, and on the left you can see project structure, and make sure the drop down list is selected to project, and this view will be shown to you. As it is our project, if we right click on this and click Show in Explorer, Explorer opens up a folder where our project is located. Go inside this folder and you can see here 4 items. If you look at project structure, it is the same content as it's here. So, first of all, we look into hello world.iml file. This is the file where state of our project is stored, and it is used only by IntelliJ IDEA. So we don't open, we don't edit, and for sure we don't delete it. Apart from that, we have .IDEA folder, and in this one we have 3 XML files. We'll talk about them later. Now go to the src folder, which is the abbreviation for source, and inside that we can see main.java file, which we created on previous tutorial. And this is the same file as this one. So, all the source code files will be located in src folder, and all our created files will be ended to .java. All Java classes will be ended to .java files. And also we have out folder inside that production and project name hello world here, and we have main.class extension file. This file is the compiled version of main.java file, and these files are used to distribute our project files to others. And if we open that, we can see the different symbols here which can't be shown to us, and this file is for JVM only. So go to the IDE. If you look, the same content is mirrored in the IDE, so we can close that, and normally we manipulate all the files, all the project features from the IDE. So, one another good feature of IDE IntelliJ is Autosaving. You don't need to press Ctrl S or manually save some things, some changes. It will be done automatically by IntelliJ. But for some reason, if you want to do it manually, you can go to the File menu and click Save All button, and all these changes will be saved. And also, we can move some windows, for example this Run window, and if we want this window to be shown on the right side, we can click this cog button and move to the right. And as you can see here, our Run window is shown on the right, and we can resize that doing like this. And also, we can show or hide our windows, tool windows, by going to View, Tool Windows, and Project, for example Project, and Project window will be hidden. And if we go to Tool Windows and click this one more time, or we can do it by Alt+1, at the same time pressing Alt and 1, it will be shown or hidden. This. And also, if we want to switch to floating mode, we can go to the cog button here and click this floating mode button. And our window will be freely moved in the display. It's useful when we have more than one monitors, and we can locate these windows in different monitors, and we can free up some space for our code and for our output. we can go back just clicking this cog button and clicking this one more time, and we'll be back here. If we like this layout, and we can store it for default. For this one, go to the window menu and store current layout as default. And if we hit some windows, we can just go to the window and restore default layout, and our favorite layout will be reconstructed. In this tutorial, we looked at IntelliJ IDEA closer, and we've looked some features of that. And in the next tutorial, we'll be talking about variables. Stay tuned and up to date with BitStream.